Here's how you can easily join a Discord server without the invite link. For example, let's say you want to join a Discord server or community but don't have the invite link, then here's what you have to do. So first up, exit Discord, and then go over to your Chrome browser. Once you do that, search for Discord servers. Then click on this website right over here. And you can then now search for the community or the server you want to join. In this case, let's say I want to join a community about Minecraft. I'm just going to simply search on it. And as you can see, there are a ton of communities. Select the group or server you want to join. Once you do that, click on the join server option. It should then take you back to Discord, so click on the accept invite option. And as you can see, I've successfully joined that particular server. So that's how you can easily join servers or communities without an invite link. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.